Now we can see that APK payload has been generated and a link is been given to us where it has been generated. So we will go to our files, root, home, evil.apk folder is there, that evil APK folder, and we can see a free tv.apk folder is here. Just copy and paste it in our mobile phone. You can use any way of transferring this file, it depends upon you. So we have successfully copied the file. Okay, done. Click OK here. Now it will ask us available option, just choose multi-handler. Okay, now it will take some time. Evil multi-handler has been started.